am James and you're watching Good Times Tech YouTube channel. So today let's clean the dust from the camera of this Redmi smartphone. Things we need to disassemble the phone and clean the camera glass are an electric iron which you use to iron your clothes, a suction cup, whether the big one or a small one, whichever is convenient for you, a plectrum that is used to play guitars, and a microfiber cloth, 4 clips. So first of all, keep the temperature setting of the electric iron to minimum. Slowly we will go on increasing it, and see that if you are using a steam iron, there is no water inside the steam chamber, because as we tilt it upside down the water will come out. So see that there is no water in the iron. So now turn it on. Okay, now it's to the minimum. Take the microfiber cloth, place it on the electric iron. If you feel the temperature is low, you go on increasing it slowly. See that usually if you have a temperature meter, you can measure it to 65 degrees. 65 degrees Celsius. Keep the temperature to knob, adjust it to the silk. So let us see whether it will give good temperature. We need to heat the back cover, glass back cover, so as to remove the adhesive, so as to disassemble the back cover. Okay, we kept it for silk and placed the phone, say for maybe around 5 minutes. If the heating is not sufficient, just increase the temperature by rotating the knob slightly, step by step, until you get a temperature of around 65 degrees or 70 degrees. Do not heat it too much, more than 70 degrees, as it may damage the paint or cosmetic condition of the phone, and even the phone may be damaged from inside. So let's wait for it to heat. Actually there are heating pad for disassembling a mobile phone, but as I am showing you how to disassemble or remove the back cover and clean the camera glass of your own phone, you do not require a heating pad that is costing you around $100 or $150, or say around 10,000 rupees. So I am showing you how to heat and remove the back cover by using an electric iron. Okay, now I feel on top also I feel the heat, which means that on the bottom, that is back cover, is heated enough. So let me try it. Take the suction cup and this plectrum, pull it a bit and go on sliding it in this way here, slowly. See that you do not lift the plectrum. Don't lift it like this or like this. it will crack the back cover. Be careful here because there will be a lock for this power key and volume key here. There will be a lock. So if something is stuck in here, go to the reverse side from the top. You go on disassembling from the top. As now the temperature has come down, I will heat it again. We need to heat it again. If your phone has a fingerprint on this side, be careful here while disassembling it from here because there will be a FPC inside. Some models come with the FPC above the battery, and some models they come with the FPC on the downside, bottom of the battery. If it is above the battery, then there are chances that you will damage the FPC. Be careful, hence be careful while disassembling. Okay. We need to remove the fingerprint FPC here. Just lift the black color lock. See that you will not remove this insulation tape that has been fixed completely. If you try to remove this, you may damage the lead film which is being sticked here. Lead film is used for filtering or resisting the external radiations, etc. For example, you can say it is being used for grounding, etc. It is being used in different models for different purposes. So now, as we have removed this, first of all we need to disconnect the battery before going further. For that, remove these three screws. Just disconnect the battery. Be careful while disconnecting battery. If your phone, if it is not this model and if you are disassembling any other model, there are chances that there will be small components around this connector. See that you will not damage any of the components. Now as we have finished the work, heating work, I will turn off the electric iron and keep it aside. So further I will use this microfiber cloth for cleaning the glass. Let's go here. As we can see, this is fixed to the camera, so we have to remove the main board as well, and then okay, be careful while removing the main board. See that you will not damage it on any of the sides, or just check from where it is free, where it has been locked. This is the RF cable, antenna cable. There is a lock here, so I need to push the main board here. Slowly. Okay. Now let's take off the camera. See that it will not damage the insulation. If you damage it, there may be noise introduced in the pictures that you take. When you capture the pictures, there may be noise in. Okay. This is the camera. So let us remove the. We need to plate. Just a minute. Okay. Now we have removed the lens. We need to clean it. As you can see, the dust is in the lens itself and a bit in the camera, and this camera is autofocus type. Here you can see the lens moves, so it is autofocus type of camera. That take the microfiber cloth. First of all, blow air in this so that the loose particles of dust will go out. Then clean it with the microfiber cloth. If you want, you can blow the moist air from your mouth, that is carbon dioxide. Then clean it in this way. Try to hold the lens upside down and clean it so that dust will come down and it will not come back on the lens. Okay, now it is clean. Here you can see it is clean. Now we will fix it back. If you want, you can slightly clean the camera lens as well. Now as you can see, the lens is totally clean. We will fix it back again. Okay, take the main board, motherboard or main board, whatever you call it. Fix the camera in this way, from inside and out. There are two connectors. Fix them respectively into their sockets. Fix back the shielding. This is the heatsink compound, the grey color which you see. See that you will not remove it. If you have extra heatsink compound, then you can remove this and fix the new heatsink compound which you have. If you don't have, then do not remove this or this from here. If you remove the heatsink compound, then there will be a problem with overheating. The smartphone will start overheating, cause problems of hanging, etc. hanging, restarting, etc. Now take the main board, fix it in this way here. Okay, lock it here. Yes, now we'll fix the main board bracket. The front camera is also clean. Just check it once before fixing. This is the speaker. See that the speaker connectors are clean here. Now we need to fix this way here. First down. See the not this lock should enter into the notch here on the main board. Just lock it in this way. Okay. Now take the screws, the black screws. Hopefully this phone has all the screws are of same size and same color. So there is no need to worry which screw to be fixed where. All screws are the same. See all the screws 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 screws for the mainboard bracket. And this is the display connector. This goes for the subboard connector, that is main FPC. This is the battery connector and this is the RF. If you do not connect the RF cable or if you damage the RF cable, then it will happen that you will get network only when you go outside in the open air, and under the shield you will not get network. Even sometimes you will not get network even after you go outside. So now let's fix this B2B shield steel plate. After doing this method, if you see that there is no network or any such thing, check the RF cable whether you have fixed it properly or not. Now let us switch on and check for the working of camera. Some phones come with the camera lens fixed on the back cover itself. So in that case, there is no need to remove the mainboard bracket. Just remove the back cover and clean the lens from here. So camera, okay, it's okay. Now for example, I'll scan this. As you can see, okay, it is auto focusing. the camera is zooming in and out for autofocusing. Okay, now we need to fix it back. Turn off on, because you should turn off the phone and then connect the FPC, the fingerprint FPC. If you connect it directly when the set is on, then you may damage the mainboard, and also it may happen that your fingerprint will not work until and unless you restart it again. And now we need to remove the adhesive from this back cover. Need to remove the adhesive in this way. Remove the adhesive from here as well. After cleaning the adhesive from both the back cover and the middle frame, I need to fix the back cover now. So for fixing it, I will use this adhesive, E8000 adhesive. This is a transparent type of adhesive. After it dries up, it becomes transparent. If you have any other adhesive that is rubber base, you can use it. Do not use fast, that is super glue or like Fevikwik and others. Never use super glue for fixing the back cover of the phone, because later if you have to disassemble it, you will have to damage, it will break, the glass will break. So never use a super glue, always try to use a rubber based adhesive. After applying the adhesive, that is glue, just fix the FPC cable or fingerprint FPC, you can see as it is. Okay, now just lift the lock, insert the cable, lock it back, and seal the insulator sticker. Now take the cover, fix it back. After the glue dries, we can remove the excess glue which is on the surrounding. After applying the glue, after fixing the back cover, take the four clips that are used to hold the cloths while hanging for drying. So take the four clips, fix them in this way. If you want, you can fix few more also, not only four, you can fix two here on each side, this side two, and two here. It depends upon how you want to fix it. After fixing the clips, just leave it for, let the glue cure itself, say for half an hour or 1 hour, and later we will remove the adhesive from the side. After half an hour of fixing the back cover, just remove the clips and remove the adhesive in this way. There is no much complication in removing the adhesives. No need to use any chemical. This way. Okay, see, you can see the glue is out and the back cover is fixed. As you can see, now it's fixed. Insert back the SIM card. Okay. Hope this video was helpful for you in cleaning the camera lens, camera glass of your Redmi smartphone. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.